So today's topic is Measles and Rubella Strategic Framework 2021 to 2030. Now, definition: measles elimination. It is defined as the absence of endemic measles transmission in a defined geographical area for more than 12 months in the presence of a well-performing surveillance system. And what is rubella elimination? By definition, it is the absence of endemic rubella transmission in a defined geographical area for more than 12 months and the absence of congenital rubella syndrome cases associated with endemic transmission in the presence of a well-performed surveillance system. Most important is surveillance system should be well performing. Now, Global Measles and Rubella Strategic Plan 2012 and 20. This plan was launched in 2012 and by the end of 2020 the plan was aimed to achieve measles and rubella elimination in at least 5 WHO regions. There are 6 WHO regions: African region, region of America, Southeast Asian region, European region, Eastern Mediterranean region and West Pacific region. Now, what were the key achievements of the Measles Rubella Strategic Plan 2012 to 2020? By the end of 2019, introduction of second dose of measles containing vaccine, that is MCV2, and initiation of rubella vaccination in various member states. And there is global coverage of both measles containing vaccines and rubella vaccine were reached up to 71% in 2019, and surveillance quality and the capacity to detect and respond to outbreak was improved. By the end of 2018, there are 82 countries which were verified as having eliminated measles and 81 were verified as having eliminated rubella, and an estimate of 23 million deaths were averted due to measles vaccination between 2000 and 2018. As we move into the next decades, an increased focus on measles and rubella is critical to ensuring progress towards the Sustainable Development Growth 3 goal of achieving universal health coverage. And for two reasons: measles and rubella contribute significantly to the morbidity and mortality, and measles and rubella elimination and control activities plays an important role in strengthening immunization program, and these diseases serve as marker for the health system weaknesses and strength. The aim of Global Measles and Rubella Strategic Framework, that is 2021 and 23 MRSF, aims is to provide high level guidance for developing regional and national strategies and operational plans developed through a broad consultative process that generate feedback on achievements and major shortfalls in measles and rubella control over the past decades, and define strategic pivots and focus area for the next decades. It means to serve as a disease specific strategy under the Immunization Agenda 2030 structure, and it aligns with other key strategy documents. While the core strategies identified in MRSP 2012-20 will remain relevant in the post 2020 period, the following strategy pivots are required in the coming decade. That is, shifting from one size fits all approach to addressing measles and rubella immunity gap, to using more efficient and effective approach that are tailored to local challenges, including the mainstreaming of catch-up vaccination through the use of life course approach, and firmly embedding measles and rubella activities within immunization and other PSC primary healthcare programs, and clearly defining the role and responsibility of national and subnational government and global, regional and national stakeholders with accountability for delivering on those responsibilities. progressively shifting surveillance from disease specific to comprehensive and sustainable, with national ministries of health and partners agencies at all levels using surveillance data for decision making, and strengthening national and subnational capacities for outbreak preparedness and response by leveraging global health securities capacities and processes, the using data outbreak investigation to close equity gap and inform system strengthening plan, strengthening cross border monitoring, information sharing and collaboration to address immunity gap and prevent and respond to measles outbreaks, and accelerating the development and implementation of innovative technologies such as microarray patches for vaccine delivery and rapid diagnostic test, and improvement in surveillance. Now comes to the detail of MRSF 2021 to 23. Now what is the vision and goal? The vision is a world free from measles and rubella, and the goal is achieve and sustain the regional measles and rubella elimination goal. As I told, vision, a world free of measles and rubella, that is eradication of disease represents the ultimate sustainable improvement in public health. Regional elimination is a stage on the path towards the global eradication. Stepwise, it is a fragile state that must be sustained in order to prevent importation and subsequent spread of the disease. That is, जिस रीजन से एलिमिनेशन हो गया वहाँ पर हमने बहुत सर्विलेंस को अपना स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाना है जिससे कि इम्पोर्टेशन ना हो. Goal as achieve and sustain the regional measles and rubella elimination goal. All the 6 WHO regions, as I have told earlier, have established or expressed a commitment to achieving regional elimination of measles and rubella. तो पर्टिकुलर रीजन से एलिमिनेट होगा तो ग्लोबली एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा. द टारगेट एंड माइलस्टोन्स ऑन द पार्ट टू एलिमिनेट वेरी बिटवीन द रीजन. अपने अपने हिसाब से स्ट्रैटेजीज बनाएंगे. Now there are different strategic priorities in this. It has 7 strategic priorities, that is called SPs. Although all the SPs are presented separately, but they are interconnected and all are needed to achieve the goal of MRSF 2021-2030. These strategic priorities are primary health care and universal health coverage, commitment and demand, coverage and equality, life courses and integration, outbreaks and emergencies, supplies and sustainability, and research and innovations. Now there are 4 principles, core principles, that is CPs, that applies to all 7 strategic priorities. जितनी भी priority है उसमें ये सारे core principle apply होंगे. क्या है core principles? These are people focused, country owned, partnership based and data enabled. Now what is people focused? Identify under immunized population and communities, define the root causes of under vaccination, and ensure availability of and equitable access to vaccination for all individual and communities. What is country owned? Country owned to improve ownership of measles and rubella effort at the national and subnational level, to ensure measles and rubella indicators and milestones are prioritized and monitored at all administrative level, ensure that all stakeholders are accountable for achieving goals, target and milestone for measles and rubella within national health plan. Partnership based, establish partnership to maximize impact, accelerate progress towards shared goal and promote sustainable delivery of interventions, and strengthen and expand existing partnership, particularly at the local level organization, the private sectors and non-health sectors. Data enabled, generate high quality monitoring and surveillance data and use them to help monitor progress, inform decision making, evaluate strategies, effectiveness and inform operation planning. Now 1 to 1. First of all, SP1, strategic priority 1, that is primary health care and universal health coverage. The objectives are include all measles and rubella activities, including surveillance and case management as key component of primary healthcare system in support of universal health coverage. Develop and enhance measles and rubella surveillance as a part of comprehensive surveillance system and improve the collection and use of monitoring and surveillance data. Now, applying the core principle for this strategic priority, first of all, people focused, that is integrate the delivery of measles and rubella vaccination activities with other health intervention to increase convenience for communities, create efficiencies and improve uptake of all the linked intervention. Contrary on, government and all national stakeholders should ensure that measles and rubella activities are optimally financed and are all integral part of PSC primary health care and contribute to achieve the universal health coverage, and that measles indicator can serve as a tracer indicator for overall primary health care performance. And partnership based, coordinate and collaborate with other disease initiatives such as polio, yellow fever, meningitis, cholera, tetanus, etc., and health programs such as maternal child health, adolescent health program, etc., given the shared objective and action. Further, develop partnership with non-health sectors such as education and civil societies to expand delivery platform and increase efficiencies and contribution to the achievement of sustainable development goal. Data enabled ensure that surveillance and program monitoring are the cornerstone of MRSF 2130. So these data including subnational level data and are used as basis for identifying unimmunized and under-immunized population and develop tailored strategies. Now, strategy objective priority 2, commitment and demand. The objective is to improve ownership and accountability of measles and rubella goals and targets at all levels and improve communities' demands for and uptake the measles and rubella containing vaccines. So, what is the core principle included? People focused, actively engaged community to designing and implementing high quality service delivery that is responsive to people's need. तो people's के बीच में जाएंगे, सर्वे करेंगे, people's की need identify करेंगे, उसके हिसाब से हम डिज़ाइन करेंगे प्लान. Country owned, work with political leaders, civil societies, organization and immunization champions at community level to create awareness, build trust and advocate for improving vaccination uptake. उनको अवेयर करना है, उनको मोटिवेट करना है जिससे वैक्सीन की अपटेक बढ़े. पार्टनरशिप ऑन, डेवलप पार्टनरशिप विद अदर डिजीज प्रोग्राम, नॉन हेल्थ सेक्टर, civil society organization, private sector to create efficiencies and build national political will towards the immunization and coherent fashion. Data enabled, use data to identify communities and areas कि कहाँ पर वैक्सीनेशन कवरेज कम है with low vaccination coverage and conduct formative research to identify the root causes of low uptake. क्यों कम ले रहे हैं वैक्सीनेशन, क्या फियर है साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स का या क्या बात है. मॉनिटर कम्युनिटी परसेप्शन एंड डिज़ाइन टेलर्ड strategies. Now, strategic priority 3, coverage and equity. The objectives are identify and address measles and rubella immunity gap at all relevant points of contact between individuals and the health system. Establish or strengthen contact points where needed and use targeted approach to reach underserved population. Now, core principle, people focused is consider the need and perspectives of target population and take a holistic approach to achieving sustainable height and equitable coverage. डिमांड बढ़ानी है, कवरेज बढ़ानी है वैक्सीनेशन की. कंट्री आउंड, एंश्योर दैट द नेशनल इम्यूनाइजेशन प्रोग्राम टेक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज for identifying barriers to vaccination and implementing tailored sustainable strategies to fill all immunity gaps. Partnership, strengthen relationship with civil society organization and other national and subnational level organization to expand their role in identifying and designing intervention to close immunity gap. Data use data to identify immunity gap and inform the planning and monitoring of different vaccination approach. Now SP4, that is life course and integration. What are different objectives? Objectives are use the life course approach to deliver the second routine dose of measles and rubella containing vaccines and catch up vaccination and integrate measles and rubella activities with other health and non-health activities. लाइफ कोर्स अप्रोच में क्या होता है, स्टेप बाय स्टेप हम चलते हैं, जैसे हमारी लाइफ में माइलस्टोन्स आते हैं इसी तरह से हमने स्टेप बाय स्टेप चलना होता है. नाउ व्हाट आर कोर प्रिंसिपल दैट आर एप्लीकेबल? पीपल फोकस्ड, यूज द लाइफ कोर्स अप्रोच एंड इंटीग्रेट मीजल्स एंड रूबेला वैक्सीन विद अदर इंटरवेंशन टू प्रोवाइड एडिशनल अपॉर्चुनिटीज टू क्लोज इम्यूनिटी गैप विद इम्प्रूविंग कन्वीनियंस एंड कम्युनिटीज. कंट्री ओन्ड अथॉरिटी की क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है? एंश्योर दैट नेशनल गवर्नमेंट टेक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी for developing national policies and plans that create opportunities for catch-up measles and rubella containing vaccination. तो catch-up round करेंगे, follow-up round करेंगे, routine immunization में बढ़ाएंगे and establish the necessary coordination between programs, different programs के बीच में and between sectors, different sectors के बीच में. Now partnership based, work in partnership with different health programs and other sectors with civil services, civil society organization to strengthen the life course platform and promote integration. Data, they use data to identify immunity gap, strengthen life course platform and identify opportunities for integration and programs with losing sight of the key objective of measles and rubella elimination. हर जगह हमें डेटा देखना है, जिस जो ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हैं उनके हिसाब से डेटा कलेक्ट करना है और एक्शन लेना है. नाउ प्रायोरिटी 5, आउटब्रेक्स एंड emergencies. To ensure outbreak preparedness for timely detection and effective response to limit the spread of measles and rubella and reduce related morbidity and mortality. अगर outbreak हमने initially हमने identify कर लिया, उसके बाद investigation होती है, that उसके बाद action लिया जाता है, तो हमारी एक preparedness रहती है, एक team हमारी तैयार रहती है. Now what core principles are included? People focused, consider the perspective and need of all population including fragile, displaced and otherwise vulnerable communities in planning and implementing outbreak preparedness and response activities. Country owned, ensure that countries take responsibility for developing national action plans for strengthening outbreak preparedness and response to strengthen the local capacity for outbreak preparedness and response and allocate adequate technical and financial resources. Partnership based, ensure that the national plan harness and capacities of global, regional and national stakeholders including civil society organization with national government in charge of coordinating and response. Explore partnership outside the health sector such as humanitarian sectors etc. Data enabled, use information collected from outbreak investigation and strengthen the routine delivery of vaccination and primary health care. Now 6th priority, supply and sustainability. Objectives are ensure availability of high quality measles and rubella containing vaccine, vaccination supplies and laboratory reagents and ensure that the measles and rubella activities including surveillance are sustainably financed. दैट मीन्स कि हमने सब प्रोग्राम प्लान कर लिया, सब कर लिया, लेकिन हमारे पास सप्लाईज कंटिन्यूस होने चाहिए, फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट होनी चाहिए हमारे पास, है ना. पीपल फोकस्ड, नाउ प्रिंसिपल्स आर इंक्लूडेड. पीपल फोकस्ड, एलोकेट वैक्सीन सप्लाई एंड फाइनेंसिंग टू एंश्योर दैट ऑल नीड्स ऑफ ऑल पॉपुलेशन आर एड्रेस्ड. country owned, match commitment to goal and objective and sustainable financing to implement the required activities. National government should have primary responsible for financing immunization and surveillance activities. Partnership based, establish partnership at country, regional and global level to ensure timely availability of measles and rubella containing vaccines and supplies. Partnership is also needed to develop in country technical capacity related to vaccine and laboratory supply and sustainability. Now comes to the data enabled, use data from logistic management information system to ensure availability and timely distribution of vaccine and laboratory supply to point of delivery. Use data on vaccine and laboratory cost including operational cost and planning and budgeting. Now priority 7, research and innovation. foster promote the research and innovation to overcome barriers to achieving high immunity and to generate and use high quality disease and program data. How the principles are included? People focus reflect the perspective, priorities and need of community and individual in conducting research and development. Country owned to ensure that the countries take responsibility for strengthening local research capacity, conducting relevant formative research and evaluation, innovative approach and tool, partnership based harshness and complementary expertise, different societies से partnership and data enabled, use data to inform research of unmet need and programmatic barrier, share data on research and innovative in the form of applicability use of achieving measles and rubella. Now thank you. Provide your children with safe and long lasting protection against measles and making sure that they get measles and mumps rubella vaccine.